Welcome back, families and friends, to another cooking from my kitchen, Meals with Mills. I hope you're all doing well and safe out there. Thank you for stopping by again and tuning in for another recipe from my kitchen. Tonight's recipe, I'll be making non-alcoholic pina colada. Let's start cooking. Here are my ingredients. I have these beautiful pineapples, condensed coconut milk, young coconut juice, strawberries, and some ice. We'll start with cutting the top of our pineapple. Look at that. I'm just going to go with my sharp knife and just cut through the pineapple. So we're just trying to remove the inside. It smells really good. Okay. When we went shopping, these pineapples were really cheap. Some were $2, some were $1. So I had to grab some because sometimes they're not as cheap, especially these fresh ones. So I decided to make, pina colada, and I'll explain why I wanted to make it. Okay, so just scoop out as much as you can of that pineapple inside. Just put it in a bowl. I'm going to use my hand mix blender just to get in and get all that pineapple flesh inside. So, okay. That should do it. You can enjoy the rest because we're going to use that to serve our pina colada. I will put that aside and I'll cut the other bits and pieces. So sweet. Yum. Okay, let's go ahead and blend everything together. So I'm going to add my pineapple to the blender. I'm also going to add the young coconut. Okay, just give it a stir here. And then the normal coconut milk. So start with that first, and then go with some ice. Okay, as always, you start slowly first. Okay, and stop. Yeah, pretty much everything's been blended together, even the ice. Let me give it a quick taste. Yum. I think I might add a little bit more of the coconut condensed. I just need a little bit of that sweetness. And then a little bit of the coconut milk. And mix it again. pretty strong. By the way, this is my frothy blender that I'm using. I've used it before in my other recipes. Again, if you want to buy this machine, you can get a discount using my link below. Check it out in the description box. Perfect. We're done. We're just ready to serve now. Present it and serve and enjoy it. Okay, very quick and easy. Summer drink, and it's non-alcoholic. This is non-alcoholic. Okay. Adding this young coconut is really nice. It makes it really nice. Now, let's serve first, and then I'll explain why I'm, craving for pina colada. Okay, so I am putting it in there. I am serving it from my pineapple. Okay, families and friends, that is our pina colada. My way of making it. Didn't take long, apart from taking the pineapples out. Now, the reason why I felt like making some more, when we went to Utah the last time, we went to this, my brother and family took us out to a Brazilian restaurant in the city somewhere, and they were serving the best. To me, I really enjoyed that pina colada that they ordered for me. It was really nice, and that pushed me to come home and make my own, because we have a lot of fresh pineapples come summertime here in Australia. So here it is, my version of it, and it's tastes exactly the same as I tasted back there, but it was really good. Maybe they have something else added to it, but it's close enough for me. Let's go ahead and taste it. Please don't mind my presentation. I'm in heaven. I laugh when Quan Tran, I think that's his name, Quan Trang. It's funny when he tasted his food and he does that, I'm in heaven. But that's what it tastes like, really nice. Let me say something. I think this is your key ingredient. Condensed coconut milk and the young coconut juice, along with the normal coconut milk and heaps of ice and pineapple. Take me back to that Brazilian restaurant. I hope you enjoy that recipe, everyone. Sorry, I'm a bit too excited on this recording. Oh boy, it tastes exactly as I tasted back there. Thank you so much for tuning in, and hope you give this recipe a try. It's still summertime in some parts of the world. Enjoy it while it's still nice and hot. It's a nice cool drink for summer. Stay blessed, everyone, and stay safe, and thank you for the support always to the channel. See you next time, and thanks for watching. Bye.